Pick a reading for March the 7th to March the 8th, a Capricorn. Your cards are the 10 of Swords, the 3 of Wands, the 2 of Cups. Medyo hindi natin inaasahan na magkakaroon talaga ng reconciliation. It felt like siguro natanggap mo na rin or papunta ka na doon sa acceptance that things are over with the 10 of Swords. Para kasing ito na yata yung pinakamabigat, pinakamalala, pinakamalaking discussions or away or challenge ninyo ni person. With the 3 of Wands, may mga bagay or time siguro na nag-antay ka pa na kailan ba magre-reach out si person, kailan ba niya ibibigay yung communication, and it felt like it didn't happen. So ngayon, paubos na yung enthusiasm, yung faith mo. But then again, yun nga, better late than never. Bigla na lang, parang things will just land on your lap na, sandali, bakit ngayon mo to binigay? Hindi sa ayoko, pero pinag-antay mo ako ng matagal. But anyway, thank you pa din dahil nakakakita tayo ng harmony. Yun nga lang, medyo mahaba yung pain na feel natin. So this is your quick reading for March the 7th to 8th, Capricorn.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.